I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to recover Glassdoor account. For that, first of all, open up your Glassdoor app on your phone. After you open up your app, tap on the profile icon which is on bottom right. Go to Accounts, select Sign In, tap on Continue with Email, enter your email address, and when you're done, tap on Next. There you can see the option of Forgot Password. Tap on it. Tap on Send Email to receive a password reset link. Glassdoor have now sent you an email, so open up your mail. There you can see a link to reset your password. Tap on it. Now you'll have to set a new password and re-enter the password to confirm it. When you're done, tap on Set New Password. Your password has now been changed, so open up your Glassdoor app, enter your new password, and then tap on Sign In. This way you can recover Glassdoor account. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.